Hi guys, this is currently the most popular trading robot in the MetaTrader marketplace today in both the MT4 and MT5 markets, which is quite an achievement, so I thought I had to take a look at this. This is a new trading robot. As of today, less than a month old, it has amassed 99 sales already, and assuming it's 1,195 US dollars per copy, as it currently is, that's just over 118,000 US dollars this is made for the trading robot author. Well, this price minus the 20% that MetaQuotes takes. There's a reason why I'm telling you this. Keep watching the video. So looking at the product description page, it is using a lot of technical terms, deep machine learning and hyperparameter search technology. It also says it's based on Euro Turbo Grid Expert, and then later says it doesn't use grid, nor martingale, no scalping or arbitrage. There's a paragraph explaining what hyperparameter means, and it just looks like a generic explanation pulled from Wikipedia. It would have been good for the author to have explained how this technology is going to benefit this trading robot. Okay, reading more, looks like there are 3 risk modes. It trades gold only on the hourly time frame and can work with a starting amount of just 100 US dollars. There are now 2 live signals. When I first looked at this, there was only one with no losses and it was up 200%. Since then, the original one has taken some losses, which you can see, and each loss is large compared with the gain of the win. The newest signal started just a week ago is down already 12%, and this is the low risk signal. Now the backtests, when I ran this initially from 2020, they looked really impressive, so I thought let's run a few backtests starting as far as I've got historical data. The first backtest is from 2003 on the left. As you can see, it pops up and then dies, and the same happened from 2008. However, it's from 2013 the backtests look amazing. To be honest, the markets have changed a lot even from 2018, so it is a bit unfair to run backtests from the really early days when trading robots were not mainstream. The fact that there is an optimization working from 2013 is rather amazing. Look at it, 10k to 42 million. Of course, results like this make me even more skeptical, so time to deploy more tests. First up, scam tests to check for backtest manipulation. We've seen this in some trading robots to get crazy backtest results. This one does have crazy backtest results, but it passed the history shift test. We also tried the symbol shift test on it, and that didn't work, but it could be that this is locked in the software, since this is only meant to trade gold, so nothing we can do about that. Essentially, we're looking for differences in the charts, which will tell us that there's been signs of tampering, but as you can see, they both look the same. I've also got a link there to my short course on Udemy, which will explain what these tests are and how you can run them for yourself. It's a small investment to stop you from wasting hundreds on scam trading robots. Anyway, I was determined to find out more about this trading robot. Amazing backtest results from 2013, that's 9 years and passed the history shift test. So let's put the results into Quant Analyzer, which breaks down the results into more detail, and it may give us more clues as to what's going on. The default backtests are obviously risking large percentage, and I can see in the Quant Analyzer results, it has risked a maximum of 30% per trade, but uses trailing stops to capture and lock in profits as quick as possible, which is why we see so many wins at very small gains. I can see it's trying to target an average of 5 to 7 points. Points in gold are different to pips in Forex, just to let you know. So it's 5 to 7 points take profit versus a 30-point stop. That's a 6 to 1 to a 4 to 1 risk to reward. So the risk to reward ratios, along with the optimized results, it's managing to achieve over a 90% win rate. So onto the summary, the author has found an optimization which has worked on gold since 2013, which is impressive. However, he has done this using small take profits versus large stop parameters. At max, you're risking 6 points to make 1. The default backtest is also set to a risk per percentage of the account. I think this is 30% per trade, which is massive, but because of the high win to loss ratio, when it wins it compounds the account, which makes it grow to these crazy figures. However, we are seeing signs of over-optimization or curve fitting on this trading robot. With the live results, we can see that this is starting to lose already. 2 big losses already in a short space of time. The other thing you've got to ask yourself is that if this trading robot is really that good and the author has poured in over 100k selling this per month, how come he has just put $100 into this? That's just 0.1% of the monthly profit of selling that he's put into the trading robot. Doesn't that tell you something? So we have come across this trading author before and reviewed one of his previous products called Euromaster. This trading robot had similar crazy backtest results but failed in live trading. I can't help but think that this is going to be similar from everything I've seen so far. So yes, these are my thoughts on this. Obviously it's my thoughts and I may be wrong, only time will tell, but the idea of these videos is to give you another view. I mean, we have been doing some high risk trading experiments. This trading robot could have been one which we used for our high risk trading, since it did make 200% on a live signal before failing. The reason why I haven't is the cost. There are others which we have seen which are much cheaper and high risk. Anyway, I will leave you with the links here if you want to have a look at this trading robot for yourself. I'll also put these in the video description box below. And that's it for today's video. If you got any value from this, all I ask is a like and subscribe if you haven't yet done so to help support the channel. Until the next video, happy trading.